Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the MOG coin and how you can go ahead and buy it. So MOG coin is a meme coin on the Ethereum mainnet and as well as Base network. Now to be honest, this coin has been doing a pretty decent job considering it's a meme coin and there is a lot of meme coins out there. So after Brett, this is the second most valued meme coin on the Base network. Now if we talk about the circulating supply of MOG coin, as you can see, more than 85% of the overall supply is under circulation, which is a good thing. And it's sitting currently around 750 million market cap at the time of making this video. Now, if we go a bit down, as you can see, there are these two contracts, which is Ethereum and Base network contract. So you can also check this both of their contract on their website over here. So this is their official website. And if we go ahead and check over here, as you can see, these are two contracts. Now you can buy this coin or token on both Ethereum mainnet as well as Base network, which I will be exactly showing you. Apart from that, they have their own collection. So they have their own shop, and as you can see, they have this discount on Viper sunglasses. So if we go ahead and check the Twitter, as you can see, this is the Viper sunglasses. And if you want to go ahead and buy this, you can go ahead and purchase. So this is the shop over here, shop with Vipers. And as you can see, they have lot of this cool collection for sale over here. Now this price is showing in dirhams as I'm based out of UAE. So most of this collection are available for like $100, $150 or so. Now with regards to buying mock coin, if you want to buy mock coin, you can buy it on a centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange. So for centralized exchange, I would suggest is you can go ahead and buy it on Bybit. Now, if you don't have an account on Bybit, you can sign up using my referral link in the description, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as CRYPTOADULT. Now, apart from this, you would be getting access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. So once you create an account on Bybit, simply head to spot and swap some USDT for mock coin. Now, if you don't want to use a centralized exchange, you can go ahead and download a MetaMask wallet over here and add the Base network chain to your MetaMask wallet. So if you want to buy this coin on Base network, you can go to Aerodrome Finance over here. Go ahead and connect your wallet. So in this case, I have already connected my MetaMask wallet. And what you can do is you can go ahead and swap some ETH for mock coin. So simply go ahead and search for mock coin. Now please note that at times there might be some scam coins. So in order to avoid that, simply go back over here, go to their website, go a bit up and copy this base contract address over here. Now it's difficult to copy this contract address. Now I've already copied this. Simply head back over here and go ahead and paste this. So as you can see, there is this token over here, which is mock token. Simply click on it. Or alternatively, what you can do is you can go to CoinMarketCap over here, press more and copy this base network contract address for mock coin and simply go ahead and paste it over here. So it's the same one. And if you want to buy this on Uniswap, you can also buy it on Uniswap. So all you can do is you can select the chain as base chain over here, and in the select token, simply paste in the contract address that you have copied. Simply click on mock coin, click on I understand and select the amount of Ethereum that you want to swap for mock coin. So for example, if I want to swap like 0.001 ETH, I'll be getting around 1.7 million mock coin as per the current exchange rate. Simply go ahead and click on swap over here. The order would be executed and then you would be getting mock coins on the Base network. Now if you want to buy this on Ethereum mainnet, all you have to do is you can go to Uniswap again, go and select the chain Ethereum and swap the chain in your MetaMask wallet from Base to Ethereum. And in the select token, you will need to go ahead and copy the Ethereum contract address for mock coin. Simply go ahead and paste it over here. Again, click on I understand and then you can go ahead and swap from Ethereum on the mainnet to mock coin. Now please note that the gas fees on the Ethereum mainnet are pretty high as compared to the other L2s like Base network. So I personally feel that it's better to buy this on Base network, although the choice is yours. You can buy it on Base as well as on Ethereum. So this is all for this video with regards to mock coin. And I personally feel that this token should at least do like 10x from here during the peak of the bull run. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.